Question 1, we're asked to add 40 with 1000. And remember what we said about this, 1, 2, 3. This here is our 1000. So it's 1000. So what we simply do is line them up in columns. 1, 0, 0, 0. And we add 40, but we have to line this up properly. That's in the ones column or the units column, and this is in the tens column. So it has to go here. And we have to add them too. So this is the ones column or the units column. This is the tens column. This is the hundreds column, and this here is the thousands column. So let's go ahead. 0 add 0 is 0. 0 add 4 is 4. And then with 0 there, but nothing here. So that is simply 0 add 0 is 0. And we have 1 in the thousands column. 1 add, there's nothing here, so it's simply 1 add nothing, which is 1. This here is our answer. And as before, 1, 2, 3, comma, this is our thousands. So this is in our head, 1000. So it'll be 1040. Question 2, we're given 707 plus 1818. Again, as before, we put them into columns. Start with the biggest number, 1, 8, 1, 8, and 707. So that has to go into the hundreds column. The 0 has to go into the tens column, and 7 has to go into the ones or the units column. And that is the calculation we need to do. As before, this is the ones column, tens column, hundreds column, and thousands column. Starting with the smallest column, which is the ones column or the units column. So let me just write that there for the older students. 8 add 7 is 15. We carry the 1 over to the next column because we can't write 15 here. That would be wrong because we have 2 digits in one column. So we can't do that. So we have to carry the 1 over to the next column. 1 add 0 is 1. Add the 1 we've carried over, which is 2. 8 add 7 again, it's 15. So we put the 5 in this column and carry the 1 over to the next column. And finally, in the thousands column, we have 1. There's nothing here, so it's 1 add nothing, which is 1, plus the 1 we've carried over. We can't forget that. So 1 add 1 makes it 2. And as before, 1, 2, 3, comma. This here is thousands. So it's 2,525.